Hello, good morning, and welcome to Here Today, Where Tomorrow. Today is going to be a very wet travel day. It is currently raining. It's been raining for, I don't know, since this morning, since I got up. We've done nothing to prepare for this travel day, so there's stuff sitting outside that's getting soaking wet. This is the remnants of Hurricane Ian. And so it's just going to be raining all day long. So we are going to have to put stuff away in the rain, dump in the rain, hook up in the rain, drive in the rain, unhook in the rain, hook everything back up. So I'm on the GoPro because the GoPro's waterproof. I'm going to take you with me as we do something. So join us on this awfully wet adventure. First things first, gotta fill up the truck with gas, get some Dunkin'. Because there is no way I'm gonna go through this day without some Dunkin' Donuts first. Absolutely no way. Thank you. Thanks, appreciate it, bud. You too. I'm getting soaked. Back in the day, I was a driver delivering parts, and I used to have to deliver parts in the rain like this. So I bought a raincoat one time, and it's just been sitting back here just waiting for the day to save me. So I should have put it on when I was pumping gas, but I just didn't care enough. I just couldn't be bothered enough. I haven't had my coffee. Don't make me do complicated tasks like putting a jacket on and zipping it up. That's put the arms through the holes in the nope. Okay, ow. Okay, let's see. We're all hooked up. Let her rip. Alright, so as we're dumping the black here, I can go ahead and get this stabilizer. It's really awesome. I actually really like it. Now that I've taken the tension off of it, chain comes right out, all out, and we're free. I just throw it in the back of the truck here. I mean, it's powder coated steel, so. Pretty much always do a black tank flush. I'm not gonna do it now. I just cannot be bothered. That's the theme for today, is I just cannot be bothered. But I just cannot be bothered to get something else wet that's going to have to try and dry on the drive, you know? Alright, so we dumped the black, we're dumping the gray. We technically have two gray tanks, one for the bathroom up here, and then one for the kitchen in the back. Everything is getting wetter. Wetter. The more we wait, the worse it's going to get. Okay, now we need to start the hitch-up process, which we are going to start by bringing in the rear jacks. This is why it's nice to have waterproof shoes. Okay, we need to bring up the front a lot, as you can see. I would say if you want to get in, don't roll the window down, just look for my hand signals.
That's fine.
So come back, pause, stop, park it,
All right.
kind of thing.
All right.
Very important to have communication between the person that is driving, and you'll always want to have hand signals, or we usually talk a lot. Good job. So that settled right in. The jaws grabbed right on. So now we check and make sure the jaws are, I don't know if you guys can see, the jaws are closed. We move the breakaway cable. We're gonna go ahead, buy one of these caps. They're such a lifesaver. Okay, I'll flip you upside down, sorry. That's in there. Pull test. So now we're doing a pull test. I'm going to retract the front. Just so they're slightly off. There we go. Just enough. Okay. Okay. Retract all. So we are retracting all the jacks. I'm gonna go ahead. Shut that. So we have our breakaway cable is hooked in. The locking pin is in. Our 7-way connectors buckled in. The jaws are closed and wrapped tightly. The jacks are up. All the way. We're doing a final walk around. Make sure doors are closed and locked. Don't want nothing popping open on you. Got our generator and everything back here. Make sure all that stuff is nice and tight. Yeah, it's in my hand. I got it. Go ahead and get in. So she just confirmed with me that I have the keys to lock this bay. I'm locking the bay currently. I'll turn off the leveling system. That door is now locked. We're all hooked in there. That's locked. And that's it. That is how you hook up in the rain. Okay, can you take that?
Yeah.
And that.
We are just getting the old Garmin fired up. We have an RV GPS, which we really love.
Hello, Connecticut. We've made it to just across the border into Connecticut. Stopped for a little wee break. We got about an hour and a half, I would say, left. So we're just gonna power through and get there. We have been whispering to each other sweet nothings of Chick-fil-A. So we wanna get there so that we can go grab some Chick-fil-A, because I haven't had the Lord's Chicken in a long time, and this sinner needs saved. Okay, so we parked, we set everything up, we're back in the car because I told you this sinner needs some saving. So we are going to the Lord's Chicken filet. All right, we did it. We got the Lord's Chicken.
Lord's Chicken?
We're all saved. Hallelujah!
Hallelujah!
And we're all full. So good. Hello, good morning, and welcome to Here Today, Where Tomorrow. And today, we are in Connecticut. That's right, yesterday's vlog was all over the place with a GoPro. It was watery, it was wet, it was rainy. Well, that's rude. Anyways, yesterday was a really wet travel day. We made it here to Branch Brook Campground, which is in Thomaston, Connecticut. And we are just outside of the Black Rock State Forest. So we got a couple of errands to run today. It is Sunday, so Katie's free, so we want to kind of capitalize on her not having to work. So we're going to go check out Black Rock State Park, maybe go for a walk and see what it has to offer, and then run some errands as well. So come with us on a casual Sunday adventure in Connecticut. Pro tip, if you don't know how to spell Connecticut, it's Connect-I-Cut. Connect-I-Cut. Connecticut. All right, so we've got all of our errands done, we've done all of our shopping, and now it's time for an adventure. And I was telling you earlier we were going to go to Black Rock, which was right next to our campground, but we actually found another one that's got a tower, and it's called Mount Tom State Park, and then there's the Mount Tom Tower. So we are going to see if we can, I don't know how long it is, we don't have any service up here, so I can't see how long the trail is, but we're going to go on a hike, and we're going to go see if we can find the Mount Tom Tower.
The tower!
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 All right, let's go.
Let's go.
Oh, okay. Well, I think we've made it about 2/3 up the trail. It's been pretty much straight uphill. Looks like we got to go back downhill a little bit and then back uphill. And I think it's somewhere on this ridge over here. But how are you feeling?
This is a little more than I bargained for.
Yeah.
I'm not wearing the right shoes for this.
Yeah.
But, you know, we're taking a quick break and we'll carry on.
No, give me.
Wow, this is going to be cool. I'll let you go first so you can record it. Hold me, mother.
Come on, Bubba. Keep going. Keep going.
We made it!
We made it to the top of Tom Tower.
I'm Tom.
My hair's a mess.
We're all a mess. It's very windy.
It is very, very windy up here. But wow, look at these views.
Got some of the leaves changing too. You can see it down there especially.
Yeah.
You guys can look down.
Madison, a little hiker girl. Madison, a little hiker girl. Come on, Bubba, keep hiking. Well, we did it. We made it. I could see the truck from here. We went all the way to the top and climbed the tower and saved the princess. Yes. All right. That was awesome. Good job, Bubba. You did a great job. You did such a good job. I'm really proud of you. So we are heading back to the trailer now. We may stop for dinner on the way, but we just went through the town of Bantam, B-A-N-T-A-M, and every time I see a sign, which they're very proud of that town name, because like every restaurant and store has the name in it, has the city name in it. But every time I see it, all I see is Batman, but it's Bantam, but it's like the Batman Cinema and the Batman Community Gardens and the Batman Playground and the Batman Memorial Hall, and it's just Batman everywhere. There's bats everywhere. Na 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 Bantam. So we found ourselves at Rozzie's, which is a breakfast slash like sandwich diner, not too far from our campground. They are utterly delicious, and that's because they have cows. That's their mascot, is a cow. So it's very cute. We just put in our order. Katie got a chicken salad melt. And then I got their barbecue chicken, honey barbecue chicken bacon ranch sandwich. It sounds delicious. It's breaded chicken tenders dipped in honey barbecue on a sandwich with bacon and cheddar cheese. It's gonna be good. I got sweet potato fries. Katie got a soup. Madison got a cheeseburger and fries. And they are nomming on that soup right now. So they're just
Going it down.
What are we doing? What are we doing on this soup?
We don't know.
Madison, what are you doing?
Madison.
Gentle, kiddo, gentle.
There you go.
Gentle.
All right.
Jeez Louise.
It is very interesting. They have spinach in it, like among other vegetables, but spinach is not typically found in a chicken noodle that I'm aware of, but it's pretty good.
So that's Madison's kids burger.
I don't know what kind of kids they're feeding.
That's my honey bunny barbecue sandwich. And there's Katie's chicken melt.
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Yummy, yummy,
Yummy, yummy, yummy, yummy, yummy, yummy.
No.
So on our way out of Rozzie's, we spotted the doggy in the window of the Oreo cream pie. So we decided to go ahead and add that to the list. But overall, I would say that dinner was absolutely delicious.
But it was a ton of food.
And it really wasn't that expensive. We tipped really well, and we walked out the door with under $55 for all three of us, and each of us brought home half of our meal. So it's really 2 meals for each of us. It's not bad.
It's not bad.
That's going to wrap up our day in Connecticut, but we have another one in store for you tomorrow.
Yep, so we'll see what we get into. Madison and I might do some adventuring. Mommy's got to work. Wah, wah. But somebody's got to pay the bills, and it ain't my OnlyFans account. We're here today,
Where tomorrow?
and we'll see you there.